Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make hair oil for dry scalp and dandruff. So are you ready? Let's get started. The ingredients are as follows. Tea tree oil. Tea tree oil's natural antifungal properties makes it a good option for treating fungal scalp conditions such as dandruff. Olive oil. Olive oil helps to prevent dandruff, fungus and other scalp issues that leads to dry, flaky scalp. Almond oil soothes dry, itchy scalp. Argan oil reduces skin inflammation and prevents dryness. Coconut oil helps restore scalp health and reduce flaking. Now I'm ready to pour the oils. I'll be using this bottle with this funnel. I'll be pouring half cup of coconut oil. Now I'll be pouring half cup of olive oil. Next, I'll be pouring quarter cup of argan oil. Just making sure, yes. It's quarter cup of argan oil. The last mixture I'll be pouring is almond oil. I'm pouring quarter cup. Oh, and finally, I almost forgot, tea tree oil. I'll be doing 1 tablespoon of the tea tree oil. So all that's left to be done now is to put the bottle in nice shape. And there you have it. This is the hair oil for dry scalp and dandruff. Dandruff in many people is aggravated by dry scalp condition. This oil will moisturize and prevent dandruff. Massage your scalp after applying the oil. You can leave the oil on overnight. Remember to use a moisturizing shampoo and warm water to remove the excess oil. Remember to like, subscribe and click the notification bell if you would like to see more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye!